Good morning, students. My name is Y Balaji, biology teacher, your biology teacher. Okay, all our students enjoy the COVID-19 holidays at home. The Sreshta Vidya Bhavan conducted online classes for students. Okay, now I am going to the first lesson, nutrition. Food supply system. Food supply system. Nutrition, food supply system. Okay, you know nutrition. Okay, daily we take some food material, carbohydrates, fats, vitamins, minerals also. Okay, so why? Because the uses of vitamins and the fats and the carbohydrates and the minerals, the because of for bodybuilding and energy, give energy and body particular shape, the more available to more oxidants also. Okay, the nutrition, the first one is nutrition. The definition of nutrition. The definition of nutrition. The requirements of nutrients. The requirements of nutrients are called nutrition. Nutrients, example, carbohydrates, fats, vitamins, minerals, vitamins and minerals also. Okay, basically the nutrition divided into two categories. The nutrition divided into two categories: autotrophic nutrition heterotrophic nutrition. Heterotrophic nutrition. Okay, autotrophic nutrition. Autotrophs. Auto means cell. Trophic means preparation of food. Cell, whole prepared food. For example, plants. Plants also the autotrophic nutrition. The plants, the autotrophic nutrition occurs in only plants and algae. Okay, plants prepare own food by the photosynthesis process. By the photosynthesis process. Photosynthesis. What is photosynthesis? Photo means light. Synthesis means prepare. Okay, photo means light. Synthesis means prepare. The photosynthesis occurs utilize the more carbon dioxide and water and photosynthesis. Mostly light is most important by the photosynthesis process. Okay, they utilize carbohydrates. Okay, and carbon dioxide, water, and sunlight. The presence of chlorophyll. The end products of carbohydrates. Water and oxygen. This process are called photosynthesis. Okay, they utilize carbon dioxide, water, the presence of chlorophyll and sunlight. Okay, the end product of glucose and the water and oxygen. This process are called photosynthesis. This process are called photosynthesis. So the autotrophic nutrition example the plants and algae. The plants and algae, green color algae. Okay, green color algae. Okay, these are autotrophic nutrition. The next one is heterotrophic nutrition. Hetero means that depend on others. Hetero means that depend on others. For example, human beings that depend on other animals and plants. We take some food material and carbohydrates, proteins and fats also. Okay, daily the prepare in our home some food materials, some curries also, and potato curry, vegetables curries also. The vegetables curries mostly present in vitamins is present in mostly vegetables and the milk and the egg. Okay, the carbohydrate present in only starch. Carbohydrate means also called as starch. The starch is present in only tubers and cereals, grains also. Cereals and grains also. Okay, heterotrophic, the depend on others. Okay, the heterotrophic nutrition example human beings and humans and the animals. The animals also, the food material that depend on other animals and also plants also. Okay, these are heterotrophic nutrition. The heterotrophic nutrition divided into three categories: parasitic nutrition, saprophytic nutrition, holozoic nutrition. Holozoic nutrition. Okay, the parasitic nutrition example, parasite, the depend on others. Okay, example, leech, cuscuta, leech and cuscuta. Okay, the saprophytic nutrition example, mushroom, rhizopus. Okay, holozoic nutrition example, enzyme living animals. Okay, enzyme releasing animals without animals. Okay, some microorganisms also. Some microorganisms also. Okay, now I am going to categories of vitamins. The categories of vitamins. I said the different types of food materials and carbohydrates, proteins and the vitamins also. The vitamin is the most important food material in our body. Food materials in our body. Okay, vitamins. The first one, vitamins were discovered by H.G. Hopkins. H.G. Hopkins. Okay. Okay. The vitamins divided into two categories. The vitamins divided into two categories. The first one, water soluble vitamins. Fat soluble vitamins. Fat soluble vitamins. The water soluble vitamins are B complex and the vitamin C. And the B complex and the vitamin C. The fat soluble vitamins A, D, E, K. A, D, E, K. Do you know headache? No, it's called headache. Headache. A, D, E, K. Headache. Okay. B complex and C. The water soluble vitamins are B complex and C. Fat soluble vitamins are A, D, E, K. Fat soluble. These vitamins dissolve only fat. Okay. The B complex and C vitamins dissolve in the only water. So these are called water soluble vitamins. These are called fat soluble vitamins. Okay. The first one, fat soluble vitamins. The first one, fat soluble vitamins. The first one is chemical name of the chemical name. Okay, resources. Next one is deficiency disease. Deficiency diseases and symptoms. Okay. Name of the vitamin. The first one is A, vitamin A. The chemical name of vitamin A, retinol. The first one is vitamin A. The chemical name of vitamin A, retinol. Okay. The second vitamin name D, calciferol. The next one is vitamin D, tocopherol. The next one is vitamin K, phylloquinone. Okay, do you know the identification of ADEK? Okay, retinol, the chemical name of retinol, vitamin D, calciferol, vitamin E, tocopherol, and vitamin K, phylloquinone. Look at the board, you can observe RECATOPY, Racatopy by heart. Okay, Racatopy, retinol, calciferol, tocopherol, phylloquinone, phylloquinone. Okay, phylloquinone, Racatopy. Okay, the Racatopy is the direct answer is the vitamin, fat soluble vitamins. I asked fat stand up. What about the fat soluble vitamins? And his answer ADEK, sir. ADEK. A means retinol, D means calciferol, D means tocopherol, K means phylloquinone. Okay, the identification the mostly the remember retinol, RE, CA calciferol, TO tocopherol, and PHY phylloquinone, Racatopy. Okay. The vitamin A resources mostly leafy vegetables and pumpkin and watermelon Okay, sources. The deficiency disease of vitamin A. Okay, night blindness. Okay, night blindness and xerophthalmia. night blindness ಅದು ಜరుగుತ್ತದೆ. Mostly and deficiency disease mostly the vitamin A eyes. Eyes symptoms xerophthalmia. Xerophthalmia means the burst of cornea. And night blindness, you know. And the night blindness. Okay, this one vitamin A. Next, the vitamin D. The chemical name of vitamin D, calciferol. The chemical name of vitamin D, calciferol. The resources of calciferol, sunshine. The vitamins is also called the sunshine vitamin. Sunshine vitamin. Okay, the deficiency disease of vitamin D. Okay, rickets. Vitamin D, rickets. The symptoms of vitamin D. Okay, improper formation of bones. Improper formation of bones and not knee. Some children, you know, some children see, okay, our legs not knee, knees together, become together closely, okay, improper formation of bones and not knee. Okay, okay. The next one is vitamin E. The chemical name of vitamin E, tocopherol. The chemical name of vitamin E, tocopherol. The tocopherol, the resources of tocopherol, cells and the nuts and the kidneys also. Okay, kidneys, cells, nuts also. Okay, the deficiency disease of tocopherol. Okay, fertility related disorder. Fertility related disorder. Okay, the symptoms of vitamin E. Okay. Fertility. The fertility means do you know the fertility related disorder? The fertility related disorder. Okay, you know the fertility. Okay, fertility related disorder. Okay, the fertility in males and abortion in females. Okay, abortion in females, and sterility in males. Abortion. Do you know abortion? So some people, some pregnant lady raise abortion, occurs mostly abortions. Why? Because the lack of vitamin D. The lack of vitamin E. The tocopherol, the chemical name of tocopherol. Okay, abortions. Okay, female, sterility in males. Sterility means okay, the reproductive parts in the sterility in males, the reproductive parts, okay, not properly working, okay. Next one is vitamin K. The chemical name of vitamin K, pilloquinone. The vitamin pilloquinone. Okay, resources. Vitamin K mostly resources in cow milk. Okay, this vitamin present in only cow milk is vitamin K. What is vitamin K? Phylloquinone. Okay, the present in cow milk. The deficiency disease of vitamin K. Okay, problems related to blood clotting. The problems related to blood clotting. The problems in blood clotting. Do you know blood clotting? For example, wound in our hand. Okay, the continued flow your blood automatically sometimes clotting of your blood. The what about the vitamin K? The vitamin K, the present in blood capillaries. The vitamin K, the present in blood capillaries, automatically the blood will be clotted. The blood will be clotted. Okay, this one is vitamin K. Okay, you know, recapitulation once students. The name of the vitamins divided into two categories: the fat soluble vitamins and the water soluble vitamins. Okay, the fat soluble vitamins are called the vitamin A, vitamin D, vitamin E, vitamin K. Okay, the vitamin A, the chemical name of retinol. Okay, vitamin D, the chemical name of calciferol. Vitamin D, the chemical name of tocopherol. Vitamin K, the chemical name of phylloquinone. Okay, resources: vitamin retinol, vegetables. D, sunshine vitamin. E, cereals and nuts, and leafy vegetables also. And the vitamin K, the most only cow milk. Okay, the deficiency disease of vitamin A, vitamin E, vitamin A eyes, vitamin D rickets, and vitamin D rickets, vitamin D fertility related disorder, and the vitamin K. The vitamin K also the fertility related disorder and abortion in females and sterility in males. Okay, this is not the recapitulation some questions. Okay, also we will continue next session water soluble vitamins. Okay, water soluble vitamins. Okay, thank you for all.